So this is a market confession that we get for market run. One guy call us. He say they among those when they take money from people account without them knowing. They go they see debit. The guy talk yesterday and he give us a number. He said, but now he don't. He said he know they do am again. He said, but he had still they do am one time. So that guy when say that they use money, say him they take money from people account. The other time, he said yes, we can call him now. Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Good morning, sir. How are you?
I'm fine. Good morning. Wakala.
Yeah. So now me call you now.
Okay.
Okay. So you get like 5 minutes to talk to us. You say you get what you want to tell us for market confession. Go ahead, sir.
Yeah. Anyway, it all started around 2020 when I first came to Lagos.
Okay.
So I came to Lagos. I started working as a security firstly. So then I realized things were so hard and difficult. So a friend of mine,
Yeah,
introduced me to scamming.
okay.
So or let me just say hacking.
Okay.
Because there's a difference between scammers.
And
It's all scammers, but hacking is another different thing.
okay.
Hacking into people's accounts, Facebook account, all those kind of things.
Yeah.
So he introduced me into that. So that was when I started doing it. They taught me how to do it. So as a novice, since we are not working well, because I'm not yet a professional then. So they were like, I should go and do some supplement. I should supplement it.
Okay.
That is, they took me to a shrine to do one or two things.
They carry you go shrine.
They carry me go shrine to
Okay.
supplement it to make things more easier for me.
Okay.
So at the point, Ogara, I discovered that I'm not a type that usually go to the shrine, as I'm not used to that because I'm a Christian.
Okay.
I was born and brought up in a Christian home.
Okay.
To cut the story short, I started running some scamming things gradually as I get small change like that.
Okay.
So there is this last scam that I did.
As in hacking or scamming, which one you got to do? Okay.
Hacking.
Okay.
Hacking. So there's this last one that I did that, let me say, it becomes my last and it becomes the most biggest thing that I will never ever forget it in my life.
Okay.
Personally. So I hacked a friend of mine, should I say a colleague.
Yeah.
I hacked his account, 2 of his accounts.
Okay.
The other account. Is there any need to mention the bank account?
Yes, of course. You are talking. How much?
Right.
How much they involve when you hack?
I hacked his account. Took about almost 700K.
Okay, almost 700,000 naira. Okay.
Yes. So from 2 different bank accounts.
Okay.
The other one is a UB account.
Okay.
The other one is a Keystone account.
Okay.
So I did that last year.
Okay, last year. Okay.
Somehow August, October.
Okay.
So I did that October without his notice.
Okay.
So from that October, November, December, he didn't know.
Okay.
It was January that the guy started noticing.
Okay.
So he now took the case to police station around January.
Okay.
They keep doing investigation, going to the bank.
To try to track who hack him.
Very good. To try to track it. So the way I hacked the account, Ogara, you can never track it.
Wow. Okay.
The way I hack the account, the way I take money out of the account, you can never track it.
Okay.
So to cut the story short,
Yeah.
he became suspicious because he was like suspecting because people were like telling him, is someone close?
Okay.
That was the reason why the other day I told you that for person to pick money or to scam you or hack your account,
Yeah.
must be somebody very close to you.
Okay.
There must be somebody very close to you that might leak out your information to that very particular person. So I will never forget this day. On the 10th of February this year,
Yeah.
was in my working place when 3 policemen came to the office.
Yeah.
So we were like 4 working in that place.
Yeah.
We are 4, yes, working. So they came, then I arrested the whole 4 of us.
Okay.
And took us to the station. So when they took us, me in my mind, I know what was going on.
You already know, say that the wahala you
already
did.
know.
Yeah.
So, like I said, what I did, you can never track me, as in you can never trace.
Okay.
Because number one,
Yeah.
I did not leave anything traceable there.
Okay.
That has to do with me, myself, particular.
Okay.
So I have every chance to deny the allegation. Although when they took us to the station,
Yeah.
first thing they will do is investigation.
Straightforward.
So when we get to the station,
Mm.
the way I was looking at my colleague,
Yeah.
they don't begin to cry. As in, I'm a kind of person that have a very soft heart.
Yeah.
So, and I remember the verse of the Bible that says, "You shall know the truth,
Yeah.
and the truth shall set you free."
Okay.
Immediately, I just tell the IPO, I said, "Sir, I am the one that."
That hacked. Okay.
So the IPO was like, "Okay, you are the one that did what? How did you know what? Well, the reason why we brought you guys there." I say, "I know.
Okay.
I'm the one that did it."
Yeah.
So they now ask the others to stay outside. They now take me back of the counter.
Yeah.
So they now begin to ask questions.
Yeah.
So now started asking me, how did I do it?
Yeah.
How did I do it?
Yeah.
I explained it to them. Even when I explained to them, they couldn't believe that I can easily do it that way that I was explaining to them.
Okay.
To God who knows me, and that was the way I did it.
Okay, to cut the whole thing short, that yesterday when you first called in, you talked about the banks when they easier for you guys for you to hack people accounts.
Yes, sir.
Okay, which of them?
Banks that are very, very easier to hack. In fact, you see Access Bank, you see First Bank, you see Keystone Bank,
Yeah.
you see Union Bank.
Okay.
All these banks I just mentioned, would they look that bank like say an ordinary colo? You know colo now where everybody colo, that way they save money.
Oh, so is they as easy as that for you to hack?
Is they as to us, will they look those banks like say na just colo? Whenever we once scam that bank, highest when we just carry that colo break and you know say don't break, fight your money, that's all.
Wow.
So
Okay.
that is the way we look at that bank.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm not trying to degrade anyone.
I understand. Yep.
When you look at their security measures in that bank,
Yep.
they are not to that kind secure that we will find it difficult. Whenever we get the useful information we want to command money from that bank, as in it's just highest 30 minutes we are done.
30 minutes, you don't hack into person's account straight.
Once we get the useful information we want, 30 minutes we are done.
Okay, so like which kind and which information una they work with?
Hacking is into like different categories.
Yeah.
There's a kind of hacking that somebody will hack your account and he will use your card or your details to buy things online.
Okay.
Very good. Like that's my colleague I told you.
Yeah.
I bought things online worth almost 500k.
Wow. Okay.
Online. So let me say around 300 or so.
Yeah.
I get the money cash.
Okay.
So there's a kind of hacking that somebody will hack your account and you buy things online.
Okay.
So doing so, that person just need your card.
Wow.
Just those numbers on your card. Once you just snap it back and front, the next thing again that you will require is your phone number. That's all. Everything is done.
Okay. So
the
how?
telephone number that is attached to that very bank account.
Yeah. So how una take they get these either phone numbers or the ATM cards?
All right. One thing here is that as a scammer, we get friends. Like for example, if we get friends, we say they work for somebody, they are organ a big man.
Yeah.
You understand that kind of thing. So now then they can't give us information, tell us, say, guy, how far, I get access to my organ card, do I get access to my organ so and so.
Okay.
How far there is so amount of money, so account to.
Okay.
So now so they take get the information. Or are you getting me now?
Yes.
Or bank people, let me say we Nigerians, not all shall. Some bankers are corrupt.
Okay.
Some bankers will be the ones to even give you the information. They will tell you that so accounts. Like for example, I have this my friend that his order, his boss, they wiped away almost 5.something million naira in his account.
Wow.
So when investigation was going on, they later discovered that it was his what's it called, account officer.
Yeah.
That did it.
Okay.
So what I'm trying to say is sometimes the information we get, you get information from bankers. Sometimes.
Okay. Yeah.
There are some bankers that they are connected to Yahoo Boys.
Okay.
They are connected to Yahoo Boys in such a place whereby if you want to collect money, like for example, you did hard currency transaction, or let me say you hacked into a hard currency account, dollar, pounds, or euros.
Yeah.
So when you want to get that kind of money, you need to go to the bank. So already before going to the bank, we have clients there in the bank.
Oh, you have?
We have clients that once we just reach there, they know what brought us there.
Wow. So now get link and connect inside the bank.
Yes, sir.
Wow. Okay, go ahead.
So that is how it happened in that very particular aspect.
Okay.
So what I want to use this opportunity to like advise people is that
Yeah.
if you look at the way a big man they live in life,
Yeah.
I want to just let us know that let the SIM card connected to your phone, let it be, especially SIM card linked to your bank account.
Yeah.
Let it be separate.
Okay.
Example, big man will get billions of naira.
Yeah.
But the SIM card linked to that very particular account, they almost keep them for house. Don't even carry them up and down.
Okay.
So, like, let me just say, like, his expense card or his expense account that you usually buy for, do this, shopping, is different.
Okay.
So, what I want to say here is that whenever you are giving out your number, even though a phone number, you should look at that person you are giving out your number.
Okay.
There are people that you don't give out your important contact. You must, as a human being, you must have an important contact.
Okay.
Like me now, I have 2 numbers. There is number that I cannot give you.
Okay.
So that number is linked to my own main particular account. So I know say yes, money the day inside 247.
Okay.
So avoid doing that.
Yeah.
Because there are some international hackers that with just your phone number alone, they can update every information that has to do with your. If you like to get 10 accounts, we can get it. We can get information that has to do with all those accounts.
Okay, so now last year you do your last job. Last I bit was this year.
Last year I did my last job, and as I'm talking to you right now, when they took me to that station this year on the February 10th, so after I explained everything and I confessed. Yeah. When I confessed, the OC, that is the officer in charge there. Yeah. Though he was heartbroken, they tortured me small. Okay. At the same time, he told me the reason why he had to torture me. Yeah. But at the same time, he appreciated me being open up to them. Okay. Without stressing the law, without stressing them, and without also stressing myself. Okay. So they asked me to provide some money, which I provide almost up to like 500,000 naira. So they now asked me to bring 2 shorties that will stand for me. So they gave me bail. Yeah. On the condition that every month I'll be depositing 40,000 naira. Okay.
For the WhatsApp, Ratata. Somebody say, Ratata, God bless you abundantly for this confession program. He said, how I wish now so all churches they do. The society would have been a better place. This is the true gospel of Christ. Changing our bad character into godly character. This is true worship. God bless you once again. Sam from Abulegba.
95.1